Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. They are like tiny houses, and each part has a special role. First, the nucleus. It's like the parents of the house, controlling everything, just like they manage the household. The cytoplasm is like the rooms in your house. It fills up the space and is where all the action happens, like chemical reactions in a cell. Next, the cell membrane, the front door of the house. It controls what comes in and out. Mitochondria are the power box of the house, giving energy to the whole cell. And ribosomes? They are like the kitchen, making proteins, like meals for the cell. In plant cells, there's more. The cell wall is the house's walls, and the vacuole is the fridge, storing nutrients. Chloroplasts are the solar panels, making food from sunlight. That's 1 minute of learning down. See you in the next one.